Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Hello, welcome back everyone. I know that it's been a while since you've seen my face, but I have truly missed you. We're into the fall season, so I wanted to share today what I am adding in to my home for fall. We're just going to be doing slight little touches in several different areas in my home, so I wanted to just record it and share it with you. So I hope that you are feeling warm and cozy for the fall and ready for some decor. So let's get started. So before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys what's going on outside. On my outdoor channel, I recently decorated the front porch, so I'm going to have that video linked in the description. And today's video at 6 p.m. is going to be another renovation, and it has to do with that spot right in front of you. So after this video and at 6 o'clock, make sure you click on the link to Daphne's outdoor living and I'll see you there. So we're going to head into the kitchen and get started. So I've cleared off all of the counters with all of my decor. So we're going to start with a clean slate. And the first thing that I'm going to do is just wipe down all of the counters so that everything is nice and clean before we get started decorating.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So after I cleaned all of the counters, I had this bright idea that I was going to transplant the basil and put it into one of these beautiful green planters. And I'd made a total mess on the countertop that I had to re-clean up before we can start decorating. So this is one of the 3 things that I picked up for fall. I am reusing everything that I've had in the past. I just picked up this 3 set of waffle kitchen towels. I also picked up a bag of white pumpkins and also a salt and pepper, like sort of like antique-ish vibe that was on discount. I got it for $3 at HomeSense because one of them had like a slight chip in it, which you totally can't see, but I asked for a discount and they gave me 20% off. I love these cookbooks, the Barefoot Contessa and Alicia Curry. I just wanted to, add them here in the corner. I have a wooden bowl and then my pothos, which is grown so much. I finally replanted it. I had it in a 4-inch can that I purchased it in for 2 years, and it needed more space, and immediately as soon as I transplanted it, it took off. So here's the salt and pepper shakers. It wound up being $3. I absolutely love the little vintage touch that it gives in the corner. And then I was deciding if I was going to use a smaller spoon rest or this little mini cheese board, and I decided to use the mini cheese board as my spoon rest. And then I just added in my utensil holders, and this is the third item that I had purchased for fall. It's just some pumpkins. They're very textured, and I just sprinkled them throughout my space. I put them inside of this little ceramic pot here, and I'm just going to put it by the cutting boards, and then I also sprinkled it in some other areas in the home as well. I love that my kitchen is white, and then I can just warm it up with all of the wood tones that I add in. And in this little section, I am just adding in my teapot and a couple of cups, a spoon rest with some spoons, and then my frother. I'm not going overboard this year with setting up the whole coffee station. I'm just putting like little touches over here, but the drawer below it is my tea station, so I always have that stocked. And then we're just going in with the cutest little wood pumpkin that I got several years ago. I've never decorated with it before. I got it on clearance at Home Goods after the season was over. And then we're just going to add in this storm candle. We're going to light it up, and then we're going to look at how the kitchen turned out. So I hope that you guys enjoy all of these after shots, and then we're going to move into the entryway. So I just love this like hunter forest like green that I've been adding into my space. It's absolutely beautiful. The rug that was there in the kitchen was a Laloy rug, and it's more of like a greenish eggplant color. And as much of the items that I can is going to be linked in the description in my Amazon storefront, so that if you're interested, you can always, shop those items. It's always going to be linked in the description. So if you remember from a couple of videos back, we added in this beautiful entryway console table. At the end of the video, you're going to be able to see the progression of the entryway. I'm just going to do some flashbacks, and then we also have videos that's going to be linked in the description box, so you can just check them out as well. I have been storing like my surplus of decor inside of this cabinet. It's so deep and it has so much space that I'm able to just tuck things away. And when I need to use them, I use them, but when I don't, they're just behind closed doors, and I have amazing amount of storage. So I just went and I got my LG vacuum, and I'm just vacuuming the space here, and then we're just going to sprinkle some fall touches here. So I still haven't decided if I'm going to keep this mirror or if I'm going to replace it. So if you guys have any ideas, leave it in the comment section. I am open to your suggestions.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
So this is my favorite. It is a two-piece wicker basket box, and it's always linked in my Amazon storefront. This one is a travertine vase that I picked up last year. It was either at Home Goods or HomeSense. They both have similar items. I love it. I am going to just be adding in beautiful touches here on the console. One is this little battery operated, actually it's a rechargeable lamp, and I am just checking now. I realize that I need to recharge it, so I'm going to style it up and then I'm going to charge it, and then you'll be able to see the bright light that it gives off at the end of the video. I'm just going to be turning it on, and you guys will be able to see the amount of light that it gives off. I really love the soft glow, you know, that it adds to the space. Now I am adding in a couple of dried magnolia stems. They were fresh. I had purchased them from Trader Joe's last fall, and I kept them. I dried them in place, and now I am using them this year. So I absolutely love the color of magnolia leaves, and because these are preserved, they're even better. So I'm just lighting the candles, and then we're going to go into the final shots for this space. So I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate each time that you come back. I know that it's been a while since I've uploaded, but I have been really involved in so many projects on my outdoor channel, and we are still posting over there. So if you are not already subscribed on that channel, it's going to be linked in the description. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will be back next Sunday at 3 p.m. So make sure that you're subscribed and you have your bell notifications on. So until the next time, have a blessed day.
From the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
and it just looks amazing, guys. So thanks so much. Here is the project recap. I hope that you enjoy. See you next week.